In this one, we'll take a look at the Mesh Particles tag. The idea behind this feature is really simple. Create a custom particle for each object vertex. Applying the tag, we'll replace the geometry with the number of particles. Available parameters should be already familiar. Let's change render points to custom and drag a simple primitive in. Take the radius down to 0.4. The options on the channels allow us to alter the radius and rotation behavior. Let's start with radius. The functions of constant and random should be self-explanatory. Switch to vertex and drag a predefined vertex map in. This, as you can see, will scale the instances with respect to vertex weight. With polygon area, the radius will change based on the polygon size. The parameters under rotation work in a similar way. The default constant will inherit the rotation of the custom particle. So let's change that to -z, for example. Then we have random and the related seed function. To demonstrate normal, I will use polyfx, which will randomize the position and rotation of the base mesh. With mode set to normal, it is easy to see that the rotation of particles does not follow the surface normal vector. Changing the type to normal will render the expected result. Finally, we are given the option to rotate the particles based on the weight data stored in a vertex map. Before we cap this chapter off, we'll take a look at a simple setup that will allow us to manually paint particles. For this purpose, we need an empty vertex map set to control the radius. An empty map will of course represent particle size of 0. To write some data in, navigate to Character, select the Paint tool, and under Options apply Full Strength in Absolute mode. Make sure the map and the target object are selected, switch to points, and simply start painting. Switching the brush to Erase will reset vertex weight back to 0, thus hiding objects from view. Smoothing the map will of course result in gradual interpolation of size values.